I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change a Hyundai Santa Fe battery. Before starting, gather your tools, including a 10mm wrench and a battery terminal brush. Safety is paramount, so put on your safety glasses and gloves. Make sure your Santa Fe is completely turned off and the parking brake is firmly set. This ensures a safe working environment for everyone involved. Let's get started with disconnecting the old battery. Now let's disconnect the old battery. First, locate the negative terminal, which is typically marked with a minus sign and often has a black cable. Using your wrench, loosen the nut and carefully remove the negative cable, ensuring it doesn't touch any metal parts. Then move to the positive terminal, marked with a plus sign and a red cable. Loosen and remove this cable. Finally, unfasten any hold-down clamps or straps securing the battery. With the cables disconnected and hold-downs removed, it's time to take out the old battery. These can be heavy, so lift with your legs, not your back. Once removed, take a moment to clean the battery tray and the terminal connectors with your brush. This prevents corrosion and ensures a good connection. Now, carefully place your new battery into the tray, making sure it sits snugly and is oriented correctly. Double-check it's the right fit for your Santa Fe. To connect the new battery, we'll reverse the order. First, attach the positive cable to the positive terminal and tighten it securely. Next, connect the negative cable to the negative terminal and tighten that as well. Ensure both connections are snug to prevent any issues. Reinstall any hold-down clamps or straps to keep the battery firmly in place. Finally, start your Hyundai Santa Fe to confirm everything is working correctly. You've successfully changed your battery.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.